In this episode of Nexus, in-space servicing, assembly, and manufacturing could be paradigm-shifting technologies for the space industry.
We are no longer constrained by launch. We are no longer constrained by the inability to repair, upgrade, relocate spacecraft. So it has the potential to totally change how we do space missions.
Designing and building satellites to be serviceable, refuelable, or evolvable could reduce cost and risk, increase flexibility, and help better understand and address failures after launch.
There is ample demand from our customers for these types of services. The issue is there's very limited supply.
Once we master the technologies and make this commonplace, once we overcome some of the barriers to entry to this sector, what should we be building? So where is the puck going and where should we be?
ISAM is real today. How do we keep it real for tomorrow?
As an industry, we have to help our customers understand that there's a new capability that this is bringing to service and maintain assets in orbit that has never been available before. We can service and maintain assets in all of the domains. We've never been able to do it in space until now.
Continuing to invest in both technology maturation so that the type of missions that we can do expand into the future, as well as investing in on-orbit demonstration to provide heritage. Those are both areas where investment from the government side is needed.
More on ISAM as a potentially cosmic game changer here in the Nexus, presented by Aerospace.